Hello friends and welcome to once again on my YouTube channel डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल, द रोड टू चेंज। ये स्टोरी ऑफ होप इन उत्तराखंड रिमोट विलेज एज गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव पुश फॉरवर्ड रूरल रोड डेवलपमेंट। द होप remains that these villages will soon find themselves linked to a future of greater possibilities. In the mountain, roads are more than just path from one place to another. The they are lifeline. They connect people to school, hospitals, and markets, making daily life easier and opportunity more accessible for many remote villages in Uttarakhand. However, the way the wait for a proper road continue, shaping everyday relatives in a way that outside rarely seen. In Suhag and Bagdhanu village of Garud block, Bageshwar district, the absence of a proper road in a challenge that residents navigate every day. The people here have adapted crying essential on foods, finding their way to reach school and market, and supporting each other through difficult times. Yet the dream of a well-built road remains. Kedar Singh, 70, has spent a lifeline in Suhag. He described how upwave uneven road make even the simplest task difficult, especially during the monsoon. When it rains, the path becomes slipped, making it hard for both people and animal to move. We take to our cattle to graze on the mountain, but during the rain they often slip on the muddy path and fall down the slope. It's heartbreaking to see, and it makes to work much harder for many. The change is not just about movement but about access to essential service. Nandi Devi, 45, explain how women has elderly resident face particular difficulties. When someone fall ill, finding transport is nearly impossible. Vehicles don't come here because of the road condition. We have to rely on each other and make do with what we have. For students, an incomplete road is more than an inconvenient. It shapes their future. Bhavana Rawal, a 10th grade student, walks 5 kilometers every day on a upward road to reach her school in Sailani, 9 kilometers away. Most of the time we manage, but during the rain we arrive at school covered in mud. On some days we can't go at all, he says. Kavita, 18, has similar concern. During the monsoon winter, getting to school incredibly incredibly difficult. The steep path become dangerous, and there is always the fear of sleeping. Sometimes we miss school for days, which affects our studies. Efforts have been made more the years to bring road connectivity to Suhag and Bhagdhanu. A survey for the road constructions was conducted and discussions continue resolving land related concerns. Local leaders like village head Champa Devi have been advocating for progress, and there is optimism that change will come. In Uttarakhand, over 33,500 km road have already been built, with 171 km of a new plan for 24-25 under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana across the state. Better road connectivity has opened door to education, healthcare, employment. There is hope that the 70,000 crore allocated in the union budget for rural road will also reach villages like Suhag and Bagdhanu, ensuring that they to become part of this expanding network. For now, the people of these villages continue their journey on foot through difficult terrain with patience and resilience, but with consistent effort from local community, government agency and policymakers. The day is not far when these paths will finally be paved, bringing the bringing with them new possibility for those who have awaited the longest.